how to motivate the team, how to be fair po, sir, as a supervisor. Sundin niyo po yung diniscuss ko today about building a team. Yung forming stage is the stage where you provide structure, you work on building the relationship. Sa storming stage, pagka nagkakagalit-galit yung mga tao, be there for them, talk about issues, solve those issues, establish ground rules. Pagka nandun na tayo sa norming stage, make sure that you use the relationship to align everyone, empower people so that they get motivated. And then in the performing stage, actually in every stage, if you can, celebrate wins, right? Recognize, reward, appreciate people. Oo. Hindi pwedeng puro pep talk lang tayo, no? Meron kasi mga leader, ang alam nilang motivation, galingan nyo, team. Kaya nyo yan. I mean, that helps. Pero if you really want to motivate people, if you really want to inspire people, i-appreciate niyo yung contribution nila.